Tragedy is normally the bridge between who you were and who you are destined to be. On September 1st, 2019, many asked the question, why me? Why this? The entire world stands in support of those who were broken, and a source of encouragement to those that continue to fight. Making sense of tragedy is difficult. So, to the survivors, there are no foolish questions. There is no judgment in sharing your pain. Be encouraged as we remember you. Hurricane Dorian took lives and possessions, but it did not take our determination and resilience.